cot theta plus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. 1 plus cot theta equal to, how to write cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant means 1 by sin theta. 1 plus tan theta equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. This minus minus secant means 1 by cos. LCM here. LCM what? Sin theta. Sin theta 1 by sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 into here LCM cos theta 1 the cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So here sin theta plus cos theta, here also sin theta plus cos theta. That value take here. Okay, right, separate sin theta plus cos theta minus plus 1 into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos. Any doubt here? This value write in bracket. Okay, why? Because this consider A, this B, this A, this B. Means A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square only. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So here apply A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square equal to what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by here denominator what? Sin theta cos theta. That value as it is right, sin theta cos theta. This value what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 identity and 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta and cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel here. Again write 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta cos theta cancel. Final answer what? So solve this value equal to. Okay. So this type of questions, here numericals coming, here cot or lay, here tan secant given, cot or cosecant. So here plus or minus like that giving. Okay na? Right now.